So this is the Chapter 6 test review answer key. So number 1 says state if the polygon is concave or convex. This one does not go inside, so it's convex. Number 2 says write the name of each polygon. So what you're going to do is you're going to count up the sides. Look on your chart. It has 9 sides, so it's called a nonagon. Number 3 says state if the polygon is regular or not. So regular means that all the sides are going to be congruent and all the angles are going to be congruent. Notice this angle right here is a little bit bigger and this one is smaller, so that means it's not regular. Number 4, the directions say find the interior angle sum for each polygon. Round your answer to the nearest tenth if necessary. So you're going to look on your chart for section 6.1. You're going to figure out how many triangles are inside of the polygon. So pick one vertex, connect to as many of the other vertices as you can. That creates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. Each triangle has 180 degrees, so you multiply 6 by 180. That means inside this polygon you have 1,080 degrees. All right, turn over to page 2. Top of page 2, number 5 says, find the measure of one or each interior angle. So you start just the way you did in number 4. You pick a vertex, make as many triangles as you can inside, and multiply that by 180. So the total degrees is 1,620, but they just want 1. So you have to divide by the number of sides, which there's 11 sides. There's 9 triangles, but there's 11 sides. So when you punch it in your calculator, you're going to get a decimal pretty close to 147.3. Number 6 says to find the measure of one exterior angle. I started finding the interior angles first, and then I realized, oh, it says exterior. So you start the same way. No, you don't start the same way. All you do is count up the number of sides. There were 10 of them. So you take 360, divide by 10, and they're 36 degrees each. Number 7, find the number of sides of a regular polygon with each exterior angle equal to 120 degrees. This one is on the chart, so you just look down that column, find 120, and it should tell you that it's a 6-sided polygon. Number 7 says solve for x. Each figure is a parallelogram, so look on your parallelogram chart, and you would realize that one of its properties is that the consecutive angles are supplementary. That means they add up to 180 degrees. So you say this expression plus this expression equals 180. Combine like terms, and then do inverse operations until you solve for x. So you subtract 104 from both sides, divide both sides by 38. I got x is equal to 2. The other property on that chart says that opposite angles are congruent. So for these two, you put an equal sign between them and then solve for x. So subtract 49x from both sides, you get x equals 1, and you're done.